Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Big Mama Cooks and I have an Instagram page where I post recipes all the time at Big Mama Cooks _. Today's recipe is going to be an easy and delicious pasta recipe. This is Tuscan pasta. You're gonna love it. Let's get right to it. I am going to start off by pan grilling some chicken breasts. All I did was cut them thin and add in some salt and fresh ground black pepper. You can use shrimp, turkey, sausage, anything you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and use chicken. These are all of the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my Tuscan pasta. Rest assured, everything is going to be listed in the bottom bar. Most importantly, we're going to have some sun-dried tomatoes, some spinach, and heavy cream. Everything else we can substitute or use differently. I am also going to be using penne pasta. I already boiled my pasta and I set it aside. In the same pot where I grilled my chicken, I'm going to add in half a stick of butter. This is going on medium-high heat and I'm using the same pot because there's a ton of flavor in here. To that, I am going to add in 1 cup of heavy cream and I'm going to mix this around, and then I'm going to go ahead and add in my Italian seasoning. I'm going to say I added in 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and then I added in about half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. I mixed this around until my cheese broke down and melted into my heavy cream. Next, I added in my penne pasta. Again, I had already boiled my penne pasta per box instructions. You don't have to use penne. If you want to use linguine, if you want to use rigatoni, you can use any pasta you would have on hand. Next, these are the sun-dried tomatoes. You can use the dried sun-dried tomatoes. These are the ones in olive oil. All I did was cut mine up thinly along with my chicken breast, and I added into the pot and mixed this up really well. This is going to taste delicious. This is a perfect weeknight meal. To this, I added my spinach, and if you know me and you've watched enough of my videos, you know I have a love-hate relationship with spinach because I add so much and I get so little. But for this dish, this is the perfect amount. I took, I'm gonna say, about 2 bunches from the bag, so hand bunches. I mixed the spinach with the pasta around for 3 to 4 minutes until the spinach completely wilted. And here I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, and I added in another half a cup of Parmesan cheese. And at this point, I lowered the flame to medium-low because I didn't want my pasta to burn or scorch on the bottom. And if you want to know what happened next, we're finished. You just made Tuscan pasta. I added chicken to my pasta. You can go ahead and add any protein you'd like, sausage or shrimp as mentioned before. This is a super easy recipe. In under 30 minutes, you're making dinner and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, cousin, and I hope you make it for your family. See you again next time.